Hi, welcome to the Price Action Analyst YouTube channel. Another cryptocurrency video here on ZRX, which is Oxcoin. I'm pretty sure I've done a video on this previously. I also already own this coin, so this is just an update. So I've been going through them, and this one is doing what we hoped it would do. So again, same story. Prices come down, consolidated, broken out, consolidated again, and then I identified it after I was going through and saw this, and I saw the retracement. I think I got in either here or I think it was around here somewhere. So I've just seen this today, but this is what we're expecting, right? So very strong upward moves that petered out, and you could see that with the wicks that were left. So, you know, anytime you see long wicks like that, you can get short for a short-term trade. And we've had price come back and come inside this descending pennant, if you will. So I was expecting a break to the upside, and so this is kind of textbook, right? This is what you're looking for. You know, that what you're looking for is you're looking, this is downward price action, you've got selling here, and then all of a sudden you got a big buying bar. That's your entry trigger, but it has to be in the right place. So this one here was very early. Still possible that, you know, that would have been a classic fishhook where price just bounces out of there. So it is possible, but you had this bar and then it left a wick. And so what I really want to see is, you know, if I'm going to get long here, price needs to start pushing outside of this or open here, which is rare. But, you know, it opened here, and then I want to see strength post this wick. Anytime I see a wick, it's almost like a barrier. There are stuck longs there, and when price gets back up there, they're hitting the sell button. You get your renewed selling pressure. So you've got this consolidation in this pennant. You know, we got strength here, but if you ignore the second bar of strength and you look at the first one, yeah, it's bigger, but it's, you know, it left a wick. It's not really convincing. When you look at price action here, you got these little selling bars, and then bang, you got this big buying bar, and it closes very close to its high. You know, this is a better amount of time. That's my entry trigger. So, you know, I didn't catch this at the time to do a video on it, but if you had seen this, the break of that bar higher, or even, you know, even on the next day on the open, even if the open's there, you can still buy it, right? This is your signal that the buyers are in again. Also married with your volume bars, but we're away again. Now, this bar here has left a big wick, and that is something that you need to take note of, but price is broken out of this downward pennant. So I eventually expect, I don't know how it's going to get there, but I expect a retest of these previous highs. So, you know, this is air all the way down to about here. So it's within the realms of possibilities that you get some sort of retrace here. You know, you could get price come up, test this wick, retrace to the line, and then go away, or you could get price to stair step outside of this wick. It's impossible to tell. All I know is that my premise now is up. So I expect price, however it does that, to eventually come and test these highs here. So we'll just keep an eye on that. But again, you know, that's trending up, and it's broken out on the upside, and I expect a retest of up here. If it gets up there, I'm definitely going to watch this level. You're almost certainly going to see selling pressure here. When it gets past that's an area that I'd look at, this previous low here, and then this previous high. So, you know, here, and here I would be watching. But I mean, I've just done reviews on other coins, and they've just rocketed through those levels. So, you know, you got to be ready for anything. I like to sort of try to let the price action, I'm trying to follow the price action. So, you know, this is strength, that's strength. When I start seeing wicks, I expect weakness. You get weakness, weakness, small bars, big buying bar, expect strength. You're seeing strength, watch out for this wick. So now I'm just waiting to see what happens. But, you know, if price retraces here, you know, I would consider buying it down here. And if it doesn't retrace, if it just keeps going up, once it closes above this wick, you could probably just get long with an expectation that it's going to move up here. Anyways, if you have any comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm also happy to do, if you want to put a request for anything in the comment section, please do so, and I will do my best to do a video for you. Thanks for watching.